Marine warning.
Maryland. Chesapeake Bay North of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Patapsco River, including Baltimore Harbor, until 10:45 p.m. At 8:47 p.m. Over land. Impact. Boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted includes Pinehurst, Turkey Point, North Point State Park, Fort Smallwood Park, Hart Miller Island, Manistee River, Rock Hall, Dobbins Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Dorchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Mississippi Island, Love Point, Gunpowder River, Baltimore Light, Northeast River, 7-Foot Knoll, and Delaware Grace. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Here is the weather forecast.